In this video, we'll see the recipe of Pudina Paneer Tikka without oven.
If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
To mix a jar, add an inch of ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic, 3 to 4 green chilies or as per taste, 1/4 cup fresh coriander and 1/4 cup mint leaves or pudina. Grind this to a coarse paste without adding water. Now add 2 tablespoon curd. I did this in 2 steps so that we get a very smooth marinade mixture. Now add this marinade mix to a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoon basil, roast it in a kadhai or a pan for 2 to 3 minutes, let it cool and then add. Now add 1 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, 1/2 teaspoon chaat masala, 2 tablespoon curd or yogurt, juice from 1 medium-sized lemon. Some salt as per taste. Give everything a good mix. To this marinade mixture, add cottage cheese or paneer. This is approximately 350 grams. Two medium-sized onion cut into big pieces and the slices separated. Now you need to mix all these well. Make sure you do not break the pieces of paneer, so be gentle. Marinate the paneer pieces for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add 2 medium-sized sliced tomatoes. Tomatoes leave water very quickly. That is the reason I first marinated the paneer and then I'm adding tomatoes. Again, gently mix and coat each piece of tomato with the marinade. So the paneer, tomatoes and onions are ready. Now put the pieces of paneer, onion and tomato on a skewer. I'm using a metal skewer. If you want to use the wooden one, you can use those too. Similarly, prepare the other skewer. Now both the skewers are ready to go on tawa. Heat some oil on a non-stick tawa. Make sure you use non-stick, otherwise the paneer will stick to normal iron tawa. Keep the flame between medium to high and you need to cook the paneer pieces from all the sides. Make sure you do not keep the flame low, otherwise you will keep cooking the paneer. It will become rubbery and you will not get color on the marinade and the marinade will not get cooked. I'll repeat, keep the flame between medium to high and make the tikkas quickly. So our tikkas are done from all the sides. I'm going to serve these immediately. Do give this recipe a try. Let me know how did you like it, and as always, enjoy!